From studios at the Milwaukee Journal-Sentinel, this is Fourth and State. In this excerpt from an interview with Congressman Paul Ryan, he discusses why he believes that Obamacare will eventually collapse under its own weight. The Supreme Court has upheld the basic construct of the law. The Democrats won the election. Obamacare is the law of the land.
And it will be implemented, I think.
Are there still ways that some of the consumer-driven competitive approaches that you favored can be injected into the law?
I don't think so. I still believe that...
So how do you do what you want to do?
Yeah, I still believe that the law is born of such a faulty architecture, such a bad premise, that the way I always saw it, there were three ways Obamacare would be replaced. Either they do it at the court, that didn't happen. Either Mitt and I win the election and we replace it, that didn't happen. Now I think it's going to be the ugly third way, which is the law will collapse under its own weight. I really do not believe that the healthcare system can sustain what is coming due. I don't believe we can sustain all the dumping that will occur from people being dumped out of their employer plans onto the exchanges.
And you think that'll happen?
Absolutely.
Okay.
I really think the provider community can sustain more payers coming through the door where they get reimbursed less money to provide the services. So injecting a little bit of consumerism within there on that kind of an architecture I don't think works. But this is why I think if we don't agree with the implementation of this law, which we don't because I think it really will hurt healthcare in all of its ways, I believe we owe the country a more specific vision of how do you have a system where everybody can get affordable healthcare no matter who they are, no matter what their condition is. How do you have a system that saves Medicare from bankruptcy and makes it a viable, sustainable program for the next generations? That's what we owe the country. That's what I've done, and that's what I think we're going to continue to do. And hopefully they'll compare quite favorably to the ugly results that I think will start befalling the country once this gets implemented.